So we're beginning our day today at Animal Kingdom, and our first ride is the Navi River Journey. We have a fast pass, and so let's go check it out.
Walk on that, but not something to walk
Looks very blue on our screen. There's a lot more colors than the screen would let you believe.
Look up there! Look up there! Did you hear that?
Just rode Navi River Journey, and while it was pretty cool looking, definitely was cool looking, good music, the animatronics were pretty awesome. Definitely, I don't know if it'd be worth waiting 95 minutes, which is what the line just was for it. We had fast passes, so it was pretty quick.
Valley River Rapids.
I feel like I'm gonna get soaked.
It is, it's huge.
It can hold 12 people, so if you have a big party, you can all go together. You don't have to be separate.
See how wet these people are. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting wet.
You want to do that again?
Oh, she's not very wet. Let's see what she said.
Yeah.
Oh, she's not very wet either. Oh, he's really wet. Oh my gosh. Hamilton! I don't know what I'm doing on this thing because I'm freaking out. I'm gonna get wet and I don't want to get wet, but I do things for my family and my friends. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh no. It's pretty dry over here.
Okay, you ready to get wet? Since your seat's dry, you'll actually get wet now. Hey boys, you excited? Don't make fun of my voice.
Har har.
Hey, how's it going? All right, we got the dads over here. They're gonna like get soaked.
We've taken less water here between us two because we're bigger together.
Oh yeah, okay. And look at them, they're all smart. They bring their ponchos. We left ours in the hotel.
Gotta get speed.
Gotta climb. Climbing up the hill.
Looks like you guys might be the best.
Well, let's stop spinning now. Let's stop spinning. I don't want to go. Why am I going backwards? No. Stop.
No. We're not gonna get wet. You're in the back, guys. You guys are
We are too, Kaylee.
Oh.
Ooh, water droplets going down my pants. Oh no, siree. What the heck is that? Go away.
Go away!
I think I just pulled a muscle. Oh! I got you at the last second.
Oh yeah.
I did. I told my neck.
Why are we always backwards? Oh no, we're not. Oh no! Mommy! Oh no, don't. That hurts. You hit your earpiece? What?
He's covering it.
Why?
You're being smart. Your ear. I like it, baby. Little scenery stuff.
Oh no, I hear people screaming.
Well, maybe there is a drop. I didn't remember there being a drop.
I thought I remember there was one.
There is a
I guess I don't want to see.
I won't move it. I'm holding it. Oh my gosh, you guys!
Put your phone away.
can get wet.
It's okay. I guess your phone. You said there wasn't a drop.
I didn't remember there was a drop. I'm sorry. It's been like 14 years since I've ridden this ride.
No, it hasn't. You rode this in 2009.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. We rode until 2004.
We didn't ride it then.
Oh no. Good night, nurse. Did you get that? Because you were tall?
I ducked.
Okay, you did duck.
I'm soaking wet. I'm soaking
Oh no, here
wet.
comes this elephant washed over here.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna duck. I'm gonna duck. My ear isn't wet at all.
That's good. My legs on the other hand.
but you're
are
gonna get
soaked.
wet here.
Yeah, I'm wet.
Me too.
You wet?
You
guys over there.
I can't leave it that way.
We're wet over there. Mr. Command. Season fries. That's for you. Those fries. Yummy. All right, so here's the sriracha ketchup tzatziki seasoned French fries. All right, you got to try one with the thing.
From
Okay,
where?
what do you guys think over there? I just
Good.
got it from Mr. Kamal. Peyton's all nah. All right, what do you think? Whoa, you're really close.
Good.
That was good?
It's amazing the first time as it was the second.
All right. Now I'm going to put it away so I can eat these. So cookies, then it's lunch. We get to go ride a train. Choo-choo, riding a train.
Toot toot.
Instead of free Rafiki.
Any conservation fund, feel free to ask. Otherwise, enjoy your time with us up here at Rafiki's Planet Watch.
You guys see the ketchup road?
Beautiful, eh? Is that a monarch?
There you go.
Oh, good shot. Conservation. Oh look, Rafiki's over there.
Poaching or legal hunting. The trade in tiger pelts, meat, and bones has reduced tiger populations, even in habitats where these animals could normally live in sustainable numbers.
What are you gonna see right now? What's it called?
I know what it's
Bearded
called.
dragon. I thought you didn't want to see it.
I
Did
just
you change
came-
your mind?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna touch it. I'm not a scaredy cat, it's just a little lizard.
That is our bearded dragon, Scotty. They're a lizard that's native to Australia.
Ooh, you moved.
There, good job, princess.
Jacob, I think McCoy has one of these.
They're kind of popular in the pet stores, so
Yeah.
not surprising.
Ooh, he's moving a lot.
Scotty is an omnivore. Do you guys know what that is? That's a big word, I know. That's an animal. Do you eat both vegetables and meat? The insects. I don't think you eat bugs, do you?
He's like
Yeah.
funky but smooth.
They use like a plexiglass box, but with birds, because they can see through the box, they tend to flap around and knock themselves against the walls. So then they put them in a dark place, keep them calm. Yeah, so there he is. You can see once he moves off to the side a little bit, you'll be able to see him a little better. There he is.
He's hawking somebody.
Oh yeah, hey. Hey, how's it going? Komodo dragon.
Yeah. He's camera ready.
Yeah, he is. He's posing. He's totally posing. Mary Poppins. Look, there's her umbrella. Lilo and Stitch Tree. Don't touch KK. Snow White. Come on, guys. Come on. We can make it. Go up there. She's not gonna bite you. I'm videoing.